When looking at this question, you'll notice that you're given a function with two unknowns, the letter A and the letter B. And we're given two pieces of information, that the original function, when you put E in, the value is 3, and when you take the first derivative at E, the value is 6 on E. So it looks like we can solve it. We've got two pieces of information and we'll solve it simultaneously, the two equations. So let's put in E for x, and we know that f of x is 3. So 3 equals A ln, instead of x, we'll put the E plus B. And to simplify that, if we take the inverse function, the exponential function of a natural log, that will simplify it. So let's first divide both sides by A, so that we've got the natural log on its own. And then we take the exponential function of both sides. So e to the natural log is the inverse. We get the original, just the 2e plus b. And we'll rearrange that to make b the subject. Now we need to use the second piece of information, that the second derivative at e is 6 on e. So let's put 6 on e as our subject. Take the first derivative in your head. So that's a constant a. The derivative of an ln function is 1 over, so that's going to be over 2x plus b. And find the derivative of 2x plus b, that's 2. Now if we divide both sides by 2 straight away, because it's 2a, we'd get 3 on e equals a on 2x plus b. So now let's cross multiply, we'll get 6x plus 3b equals a. Three b is going to equal a, take 6x. And I'm just thinking, I've got x's here and I'm not meant to have. I'm meant to have replaced the x with e. So I'm just going to go back and do that. So I'm going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2 to eliminate the b. So 3 lots of e to the 3a. Times 3 lots of negative 2e is minus 6e equals a minus 6e. And of course, you can see that the minus 6e can be eliminated from both sides of the equations. So I'm just going to rub them out to give myself some more space. And so if I can write e to the 3a equals a on 3 to the e, and I'll just emphasize that's to the power 1. So we can equate coefficients, so it's 1e to the 3a, so the coefficient is 1 will equal a on 3. And therefore a equals 3, and we'll check by equating powers. The only way those two expressions can be equal is if those aspects are equal. So 3 on a, the power 3 on a has to equal the power 1. And again, we get A equals 3. And if A equals 3, we can substitute that back into either equation, but let's put it into equation 1. So B will equal e to the 3 on A, which is e to the 1, take 2e, so B will equal negative 2e. So that is our solution. A equals 3. 1e take 2e is negative 1e, so B will equal negative e. And we're done.